Hello, crafty friends. It's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity. Of course, you're here, And I wanted to do an unboxing video of a cherry on top, the items that I received as a design team member that I got, and also I bought a few things. So this is three collections and also some inks, new tools that I have been using that I was sent by We Are Makers and Scrappin Happy Studio. A few of the embellishments that I got from them. Jenny is amazing. She always coordinates embellishments with the new collections that are out. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. Hopefully I inspire you, enable you to shop or inspire. And I would also love to ask you at the end of the video if you see a collection that you would like me to use. I'm creating a project, a YouTube video, a process video. I will go ahead and do so. So let's go through all the items that I got for this Simple Stories. Guys, I love this collection. I used to live in California, go to Disney every week. My husband and I, that was our place to go. That was our date location where we went to have fun, just be free. And I love Disney, so I had to get it. You will see that I got another collection and from Echo Park, the new one too. So anything with Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, like anything related to that. I'm not so sure if I'm supposed to say that here because but yes, it is. I just love it. So of course I had to get the collection and I want to create a few projects with this. So let me know what you would like to see with this collection. So the items that I got was the pages pieces. So you know that if you're creating a page, these are great to create a layout or even a tiny mini album to spread across different pages. But here it gives you an example of more or less what you can do of all the items and pieces that come in the pages pieces. Okay, and this is not new. This is something that they have been doing for a minute. Okay, but they did release a few things that are I'm excited for. So these are the decorative brands. These are something that they have been carrying on, and I love that card, that ace card. It is so cute with the Ferris wheel in the background, and oh, I just love it. I love it. I love everything about this collection. I love the colors. It just looks so pretty. And then the foam stickers. I love the foam stickers for every collection in Simple Stories because they create dimension. So when I'm adding them to my projects, I love the way they layer on top of everything. They're beautiful for titles, and also you get a few embellishments and everything. And a few kind of like memories at the park, happiest, magical, so much fun, say cheese. I just love all this. And I also got the say cheese bits and pieces. It comes with all these items here. And if I'm not wrong, I think this is one of the newest thing that they just released. And it comes with 100 pieces. This is a lot. Just alone to create a few mini albums, pages, everything that you want. And I'm not going to go ahead and open everything up. If you would like to see a closer look, just go over to a cherry on top so you can see everything, or the Simple Stories website. So I'm sure that they list all the websites and you can see a clearer image of everything. And also they have chipboard pieces, guys, for this collection. So you know that I'm excited. I'm so excited for this. I love chipboard pieces. You can add your favorite adhesive behind them. And I love that they has, once again, some sort of dimension to just layer on top of your projects, okay? And this one comes with 58 pieces. So which is florals and Mickey and fun, magic, and all the circle icons and cups and balloons. It's just filled with so many things. The next thing that I have not seen before is the basics. This is just a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. When you open it up, and then it has like album tabs. They're perfect to add to your albums. This one is my favorite. I love it. The stars and the hearts. And it also comes with borders, which is so cute. And it also comes with little like phrases that you can add next to your titles or your photos that, they're super, super amazing. Of course, 6x8 paper pad if you'd like to create 6x8 mini albums or something smaller. This is great to create a project, even if you just got this the chipboards, and these pieces right here, the bits and pieces that will create an amazing project right there. So, and then I also got the say cheese icons. This one is so fun. It comes with that cute little banner that, oh, hot air balloon, up and away, magical day to a magical day. It is so pretty. I love everything, guys. I love everything about this collection. So um let me know once again what project you want me to make with this project. Okay, with this product. If you want me to see a mini album, I know I will create a mini album, but if there is something in mind, some type of sort of embellishment, like for Happy Mail, anything that you would like to see. I also got the chipboard album. This one is 6x9. It's an ear album. Oh, I cannot wait to fill this one up and make it so chunky and a cute cover. Oh my gosh, super cute. And then I also got the journaling bits. These are all the pieces that come in here. It is 89 pieces. It's amazing. Of course, I had to get the sprinkle enamel dots and also florals. Right, so I got all of that because I will be using them. And then I also got the collector's essential that comes with extra things like the 12 by 12 pages, okay? It also comes with icons, with basic stickers, bits, and journaling bits, and simple pages bits. So once again, it's like a repetition of things that I already got, but it's just more because once again, I love using embellishments. I love layering, and I also got the basics that go along with it. I love that it has the polka dots on one side and then that the grid panel on the other. Like it's more like I'm not sure if that's a grid. I think so. It has the lines across. So yeah, and then from my Happy Crafty Studio, because of this collection, I got a few things from her. Jenny is amazing. I love how she coordinates collections with her embellishments, with the canvas and the flares and everything. So this is what I got. This is epoxy flare, the one set. It's 1 inch and they're super cute. I just wanted to get them. I thought they were so cute. And then we have the fun ride flares. We also have all the cute little images and more images here. So you get 2, and then this canva flares. So this collection right here goes perfect with that. Okay, perfect with this collection here from Simple Stories. Let me go and get the other one now, which is by Echo Park. This one, it's also beautiful, and I can see some of Jenny little pieces also working with this, because I do see a little teal in here, which is Magic Memories, and it just works along great. That's the reason why I got it too, because it can go with both collections. Okay, all right, so from this I got the sticker book. The sticker book is something that I absolutely love. This is always something that you have to have because it comes with 16 pages, okay, and it repeats. So it's twice. You're getting the embellishment twice. You're getting alphabet letters, you're getting borders, you're getting tabs, you're getting icons, you're getting everything that you, if there is something from Echo Park that you would like to get to create multiple projects, I do recommend this book. And there is also the decorative brads. And then I got the kit. For this one, this is all I got. Okay. For the kit, this is the bundle kit. It comes with the ephemera icons, the frames and tags. If you want to see a closer look, this is what it looks at in the back. And then I also got the enamel dots. I love enamel dots. I love to complete a project with enamel dots. You also get the chipboard accents and the chipboard words with the phrases. So this is great for titles, adding them to your photos, creating little clusters around them. And I also, the puffy stickers comes in that kit, okay? You also get the coordinating card stack and one of the kits. And when I saw this, guys, I fell in love with it. If you don't know, I have an Etsy shop, Inner Creativity Shop. I'll go ahead and link it down below. That's where I sell acrylic and wood embellishments and albums and instructions, kits, everything that I love doing. I'm sharing currently. I am going to be selling some of the wood pieces and acrylic works also to go with this collection. So if there is something that you would like to see, um, that is coming very soon. Okay, I would say in about a week and a half that should be all listed. So just follow my shop so you can see all the new things that are coming that I would be doing. I'm excited for that. Okay. All right. So what is the next? I'm sorry for the sound, but it's just plastic, guys. All right. The next collection I was really excited for was the craft room collection. Lately, I have been cleaning my craft room, you know, organizing my craft room. I feel like this collection just tells a story for all of us because we love to craft, right? We love to document. This one is craft. I'm a crafty queen. I craft every day. I love being in my craft room, just documenting. Sometimes it's just messing around with things, sticking stickers in places. Sometimes it's not about telling a story or writing words on a paper about the event. No, sometimes it's just about creating something that just makes you relax, makes you forget that the world exists around you. So that is more my style. So I got the puffy icons, the stickers, the enamel dots, of course, and I just love the colors. And of course, the acrylic embellishments that are coming to my shop will also, I will try to match a few little words to this so you can see. And once again, I got the sticker book because look at all that. It is just, you get so much, and then it's fun to have. Like you get like, if you can only get one thing, I would say the sticker book. And then if you have coordinating card stack on your stash, try to match the card stack to this and then embellish around this, you know, and enamel that to sprinkle, to, you know, to just finish off a layout. And then look at that. Phrases, words, icons, everything. I love that. Of course, the brads. I love getting the brads. They're super cute frames and tags and ephemeras. It looks like this. Super cute. You also get the chipboard accents. I got that. And oh, I just realized that, oh, I wanted to get the other one, but I got chipboard accents twice. So, and then of course I got the kit, which comes with the paper with the 12 by 12 sticker sheets, and then the papers to coordinate. And then I love these colors. It's pastel. Anything pastel, guys. I love pastel collections. It just calls me out. If you know, I have a lot of pastel words, acrylic words listed in my shop. Okay, especially for spring and summer. I just love it. So yeah, that's what I got for Echo Park. So 2 collections from Echo Park, 1 from Simple Stories, and let's see here. Let's continue with what I got from Jenny. Okay, she also gives you a freebie. And I love that she did this. I feel like this, I just completed a layout with Bella Boulevard that I think is Loves Grows here. And it goes really well with this. This can be used for spring. And these are the other canvases that I got. Epic Dad, you know, Dad comes in June, right? And then Mom is coming soon, like Mom's Day, Dad's Day. And those pieces will go great. So these are so much flares that go with other collections. I just cannot remember exactly which collections are right now, but I'll go ahead and add Jenny's link in my description so you can see and go follow her. If you have never seen her flares before, she's amazing, guys. She creates beautiful items. So those are the flares that I got, okay? I'm not sure if you got to see. Yeah, so you get to, let me see, get it closer. These are the pieces that I got here. And I just love, I love it when she has all those little cute images. She just released another one too that I want to get, but oh my gosh. But yeah, let's see. And then I also got the inks from 49 Market. These are created by Ranger. So these are really good inks. I have been playing with the first batch that came out and I love them. So I had to get the second round to play with, to continue playing with it. I love layering my inks with my embellishments and just creating little, nothing crazy because I'm not a mixed media person, but I just love adding little color behind. Like if you look here at this layout, I did share a reel over on my Instagram page. I blended some of those inks from Distress inks and also some of the 49 on Market inks here, you see. So between the, which is, to me, I am going to be honest, they feel the same way. Between the Distress and the Rangers, they're similar a bit, but they're very blendy. They're very fun to use. So yeah, some of the Distress inks from Ranger, and then the 49 on the Market inks is here right here. So I did blend some inks, created layers. This is us springtime at the Botanical Gardens in New York. And I wanted to just create a fun pattern here with all those watercolors, which is fun. Let me know if you would like me to create a YouTube video that you can see on a larger scale on this layout using a different collection. I can do that, no problem. And then, yeah, these are the inks for the new release. So, oh, I'm loving Doll Face. It just looks Barbie, and I love the Tranquil Waters. Anything to do with blues, those are my favorite colors. I love water. So anything with the, like, to me, that reminds me of water, the sky. It's just beautiful. Even the early bird one, it looks a little more purplish, and purplish is not my favorite color, but when I see it like this, I love it. I love it. And then also green. So yeah. And I also wanted to show you guys before I leave the new tools that I have been using and enjoying by We Are Makers. I have been enjoying this glue gun. It's great. If you are using your Burley Arts precision glue, this is great glue. I used it in here too. Sometimes it can get a little hard to squeeze in here. For me, especially because I craft a lot, my hand hurts sometimes. I'm on the computer all day, so I want to make it easier. This works amazing with this trigger, and the trigger is inside the glue. It just releases so smooth and easy. So I do recommend that. I'll go ahead and add that link for you. And then if you want to get it from A Cherry on Top or We Are Makers, wherever you want to get it from, or you just want to check it out. And also We Are Makers dot setters. This is something fun to use. It's kind of trippy, crazy. So you get, I used it on a few things. I do have other dots in here. I just wanted to keep this ones here. You can use it on pretty much any circle dots that you have. And they are like 6 millimeters, 8, 11, and 8. Okay. And then it removes the packaging for you, so you don't have to remove that yourself. Okay, but it's super fun. You know, it's super fun to try it out. So those are the new tools that I have been enjoying using. All right, guys, so this was it for this unboxing video. Let me know once again what project you would like to see, any ideas, something that you would like me to create. Also, ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can use the links in the description in my video. They don't cost you anything to use. Some of them are affiliate links. And then thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.